Hey, I'm Duke, your typical 17-year-old, literally no cooking skills, and I just made this sourdough bread with no fridge, no kneading, and no adult help. And honestly, it was so stupid easy thanks to my mom's epic lazy hack. Want to know how to make this epic sourdough with just 15 minutes of actual work? Watch this. 115 grams of sourdough starter, 340 grams of water, 570 grams of flour, and 20 grams of salt. I dumped it all into a bowl and mixed it up with a spoon until it looked like a sticky mess. That's it, no kneading, no muscles acquired. I covered it with a shower cap and let it sit on the counter for like 20 hours. The next day, my sourdough doubled, nice and fluffy. So I plopped it into my parchment-lined loaf pan. I let it rise again for like 90 minutes while I solved a couple of Rubik's Cube and did my daily 100 push-ups. When the timer went off, I preheated the oven to 400 degrees and then baked it for an hour. My house smelled like an actual bakery, like I felt very professional. I pulled it out, let it cool a little, not really, and then cut it open. It was perfect, crusty on the outside, soft and chewy inside. And I didn't even have to stretch and fold like those crazy Karens online. This is sourdough for people who are busy, lazy, or teenagers like me. It's cheap, shelf stable, and honestly, pretty fun. So if I can do this, anyone can. Get the full recipe at loadedpotato.org and go make some bread already. Peace out.